Hey, it's Leona Gill. Can I ask you something kind of personal? Do you ever feel bloated after eating, no matter how healthy your meal was? Or maybe you deal with heartburn, gas, or that heavy, sluggish feeling that just lingers and won't go away? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you're not alone. Digestive issues are way more common than people think, and even though they might seem like small annoyances, over time they can really drain your energy, mess with your mood, and just make you feel off. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be like that. You can get your digestion back on track and feel like yourself again, and that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today. So, let's get real for a second. We've been told for years that eating healthy is the key to good digestion. And yeah, a healthy diet is important, but even when we eat well, many of us still struggle with bloating, gas, or irregularity. Why is that? Well, it comes down to how our bodies actually process food. As we get older, or even just during stressful or off-balance periods, our bodies start producing fewer digestive enzymes and probiotics. And these are the things that help break down your food, absorb nutrients, and keep your system moving smoothly. When those tools are missing, your food just kind of sits there, leading to that uncomfortable bloated feeling. You don't absorb nutrients like you should, which can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. And even worse, all those backed up toxins can start making you feel just blah. A lot of people reach for quick fixes like antacids or laxatives, but those only treat the symptoms. They don't solve the real issue, and in some cases, they can actually make things worse over time. So if you've ever had to cancel plans, avoid certain foods, or scout out the nearest bathroom before you go anywhere, you know how frustrating it is. That's where DigestSync comes in. It's not just another supplement. It's designed to support your digestion at the root. Here's how. It's packed with powerful enzymes to help break down fats, proteins, and carbs, so your stomach doesn't have to do all the heavy lifting. It's loaded with billions of live probiotics to balance your gut bacteria and help reduce bloating and support regularity. Plus, it includes soothing ingredients like ginger and peppermint, and prebiotics to feed the good bacteria for long-term gut health. With DigestSync, you're not just covering up the symptoms, you're actually helping your body do what it's meant to do. And here's the part I love. There's a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If you don't feel lighter, more energized, and more in control of your digestion, you'll get your money back. No hassle. So, if you're ready to enjoy your meals again without worrying about what comes next, click the button below and give DigestSync a try. Your gut deserves to feel good.